Okay, so today we're going to look at stop signs. Just around the little bend down there is a stop sign at the end of this road. So we're going to move off out in the road, head down, and we'll just talk through negotiating a stop sign correctly. Okay, so we're going to head out into the road. And so we're proceeding to the end of the road. We can see the end of the road there. And just like any other end of the road, we're going to stop. We're slowing like we're going to stop. And wow, look at that. We've got a stop sign. So this time we actually have to stop completely. I've had a brief look into the road, but I really haven't looked for the traffic yet. What I've prioritized is stopping behind the line. So now I'm going to look for my gap in the traffic. I'm going to find there's none. It's all good. And then away I go. Having come to a complete stop, then checked for traffic, and then got moving. And that is how you manage a stop sign.